Hey y'all, Sabrina here. Today I'm going to be unboxing our new curriculum, which is Oak Meadow. We're going to be using it again this year for 5th and 7th grade. So I just got it in, well actually I've had it for a little bit, but I haven't opened it because I didn't have the time to sit and look at it. But now I do. So I'm going to open it on camera and share with you. I'm going to try to see if I can't hide my address here for a second while I open it up. I'm very excited about using this. I think this is the first time I've ever used like an all-in-one curriculum that I've purchased. At this point, I've done 3 like all-in-one curriculum. Initially, I just pieced things together, but then I fell in love with moving beyond the page. That was so perfect for us at the time we were using it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved planning unit studies. It really worked for us at the time, and so I was excited about that. But then we tried Bookshark, and that's what I really needed at the time, something just super simple and laid out for me every day. But then I wanted to try something new. So this is try something new. So we went to Oak Meadow and I got distracted. Went to Oak Meadow and now we're using it again because it just worked really well for us. A lot of flexibility with it, and I've kind of talked on that. But this is the 7th grade box. So these are some of the readers for 7th grade. And this year, Aiden had already read some of them and for the 6th grade, and he really liked them. Well, some of them, he really liked them. But we also added in other books, and of course he read, well, not of course, not everybody is like wanting to read all the time, but he does. And so, sorry, I don't know why I thought this would be easier to like talk and share. But he does like to read, so he read a ton this year, including the books with Oak Meadow. So hopefully he'll enjoy these too. All right, so here's an English manual. This year, the English manual they had was just inside of his English, in the back of his English manual. Let's see. Open, open, open. I'm just curious to see. I guess I could look at this later, but I really want to see what they're talking about. Okay, I'm going to come back to this. It's taking too long. It's a journal. Usually they're blank pages. Yep. Another book. And then the course books. Oh, this year they're purple. Last year his stuff was light blue. I knew they were purple, but I forgot. So here's this English course book. So English is usually pretty thin because it goes along with history, which is a little thicker because it has all the readings in it. And then here's the English manual, which the only difference is really the English manual should just have answers for certain things or suggested rubrics for papers and things like that. So English. We also got Earth Science, which he's going to be taking an Earth Science at a local learning center, but I don't know how it's going to go. So I still went ahead and got the Earth Science just in case it might help to supplement what he's learning, or if what we're doing at home is supplemented by what he's doing there. Hopefully they work together is what I'm saying, and it's not too overwhelming. So this is Earth Science, and they have a lab book this year, or lab manual this year for science. And then World History. It's a little thicker than the English. But there's our science teacher manual. And then here's the World History teacher manual. And then the math. Ooh, math is thick this year. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay. All right. We're ready for you. And then here's the math course book. And then one more book. I actually have this one. I'm pretty sure we have this edition too, but maybe we don't. This is heavy. I always love National Geographic books. And it smells so good. Don't judge me. All right. So that was 7th grade. That was 7th grade. I'm excited. Let's move on to 4th grade. Honestly, I thought that the 4th grade would have been in the bigger box, but it wasn't. Actually, before we move on to 4th grade or 5th grade, I want to see what this teacher manual is looking like. And I'll do like a super quick flip through. Okay. So it kind of guides them through certain things. This is kind of what it looked like in their English manual in the back of their book, but it's nice just to have this separate and like this. So let's open up 5th grade. 5th grade. 5th grade. I can't believe I'm saying that about my baby. So my youngest has never been to school. We've homeschooled since the beginning. My 7th grader went to half of 1st grade and then we pulled out. So in Oak Meadow, 5th grade is middle school. So I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. But here we are. Here we are. Oh, this is for 7th grade right here. This is the lab kit, which when we did Book Shark, I absolutely love this. And then when we did, I didn't get the science kit when we did Moving Beyond the Page, just because I chose random units. But this was so helpful. If you have a curriculum, or even if you don't, and you just are, kind of creating things as you go, lab kits are nice. They're nice. So these are the 4th grade, 5th grade. Sorry, I keep saying 4th grade. 5th grade readers for my youngest. We've read this one before, but I don't think he was that into it. We'll see. I want to say we started and didn't like this one before. We'll see. I knew that some of these books were in there, but it's been a minute since I've ordered and thought about this, so I'm just kind of being reminded of some of the thoughts that I had. I hear good things about this one. And then, wait, so the other one got the World Atlas, and this one is the US. So I guess I'll be consigning the other ones. Uh-oh. All right, so here's the teacher manual. I wonder if this is for all of them, because in 6th grade, and as you saw with 7th grade, the teacher manuals, they have one for each subject. So I wonder this year, I only had one teacher manual for the 4th grade for all the subjects. So we'll see. So science is separated out. This year, the only thing separated out was math. Science, English, and social studies were all in the same course book. So science is separated out, but English and history are in the same one. And math, again, is on its own, but this year he has a course book. Last year he only had a workbook. We worked through it together, and it kind of guided me on how to teach. So we did that and teaching textbooks. But this year he'll have his own course book and be able to be a little bit more independent, which is what he really wants, because his brother was more independent with math this year. He was like, I want to do that. I'm like, we got to work together a little bit more, buddy. But this is the last one. This book feels good. We love picture books. We've been reading a lot more, chapter books as they've gotten older, but we still love a beautiful, engaging picture book. So hopefully that will be this for us. And that's all that's in the box. So I think I'm going to stop here because I could keep talking about this, but I appreciate you unboxing with me today. We are looking forward to the fall. Are you guys looking forward to the fall? Have you made your final plans yet? Share with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing, or if you have any questions or comments about what we're using this year, let me know below. I'll chat with you soon. Bye.